Is that Black China? Welcome guys, Greenbag back again with another reaction video. Today what you call Megan the Stallion body. This is a request video. Someone told me to check it out and see what's going on. Alright, the video starts off with the morning sound. I'm gonna prepare myself for probably what this video gonna be, but alright.
Real hot girl shit.
Ooh.
A fat ass booty, a pretty face, skinny waist.
What the? What the hell?
And if the beat live, you know Lil Juke made it. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body crazy curvy wavy big titties little waist. Body crazy curvy wavy big titties little waist. Body yaddy 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 yaddy.
Yo, who the hell made this rhythm, bruh? Who the hell made this rhythm? I thought the morning sound was gonna be like just the intro, but it's like literally in the rhythm itself. Damn, not gonna lie, Megan Thee Stallion looking thick. Look, listen, man. I like thick girls, bruh, especially thick black girls. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my God. Hey.
How I body that, ate it up and gave it back. Yeah, you look good, but they still wanna know we're making that. Saucy like a barbecue, but you won't get your baby back. See me in that dress and he felt like he almost tasted that. Num 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 num, eat it up. Go play okay, 3, 2, 1. You know I'm the hottest. You ain't never gotta heat me up.
Damn. Yo, what's going on in this video, bro? I'm not gonna lie, that suit that she have on looks so good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Hey. I like that first suit. It looks so sick. Look at one of those sexual weird kinky suits.
I'm a hot ebony, they gon' click it if it's me. All my pictures been getting these niggas through the quarantine. Bitch, I'm very well on my shit, as you could tell. Any hoe got beef from years ago is beefing by herself.
How much different outfits she have? About 7 or 10 in this one video? What the? Wait. What? Is that Black China? Oh my God, Black China got it. First one was Kylie Jenner, now it's Black China. I'm just saying, bro. I'm just saying. Dude, I'm surprised these videos are allowed on YouTube. I'm very surprised about that. Okay. I'm not complaining, I'm just... Wait, dude. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry I'm going back so much, but listen. Damn, look at that, bruh. Can I put a house on that, bruh?
The category is body. Look at the way it's sitting. That ratio so out of control. That waist, that ass, that witness.
Man, I love this suit, bro. This suit looks so good.
Did me long, ate it with the pennies on. I could build a house without a brick I got. Bitches spend a lifetime trying to get this high. And if her head too big, I could make that pop. I'm not the one to play with, like a touch me not. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body yaddy 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 yaddy.
Like that body yaddy. Body yaddy.
Curvy wavy big titties little waist. Body crazy curvy wavy big titties little waist. Body yaddy 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 yaddy.
Man, this video is something else, bruh. I think somebody actually requested this more than one time. No. Yo, this video is sick. Listen, I'm not gonna lie. I think this video is more sexual than WAP. Not gonna lie, bro. I think this is more, and it's more classy to me than WAP for some reason. I don't know, bro, but this video was something else. Wow. First, even in the intro here, the morning, I was like, oh wow, this video gonna be something else. Then it turned out to be something else. Oh, that's crazy. And the morning sound was still in the background. That means someone actually made this rhythm specifically, basically for this song, probably because this rhythm goes so perfect with this song. All right, guys, that's the end of